Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we are working on my 2024 Honda Tallon, putting Christmas lights on it. We have around 250 feet of Christmas lights we're going to be putting on this today. Blake is not here today, so let's get started and start putting these lights on. Right. Let's get started. Sun's going to go down in about, I don't know, an hour. So we'll hopefully get this done so it looks pretty cool at night. We gotta come up with a game plan on how I...
You're going to want to start it by the power inverter, right?
Yeah, probably. Yeah. Forgive me, it is a little bit muddy. We went riding at the Loop 2, and I never got around to washing it, so it's a little dirty. I had to rinse it off today so I could film this video. I need tape. I need some tape. Got the blue tape. I'm hoping it doesn't stick to my side-by-side too well. Hoping this painter's tape doesn't leave residue. We're gonna probably wrap these lights around like this. Probably should have, I don't know. This could be a project, right?
You want a dry towel?
What's that? There we go. I think the roof's complete. Okay, so we got most of the side covered in lights. Kind of looks ridiculous, especially with all of this blue tape. It's going along good. As you see, got the roof done, most of the front done. We have 3 bundles to spare. I'm gonna start doing the rear of it. I'm not sure what I want to do yet, but it's coming together nice. Hopefully all the tape sticks. Hopefully. Okay, that looks so cool. That looks awesome. I don't know if you can see me, but that looks awesome. That kind of looks pretty cool, doesn't it?
It does look amazing.
That looks awesome.
That looks sick. I should do it to my truck.
Go in and flip the lights on those two wheel. That kind of ruins it a little bit.
Run it to your battery.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's awesome.
All right.
That's cool. Nothing without the light. door's open. Yep. for the wheels. Maybe add some something else to it. That's for another day. So. We are around 240. We are around 240, 50.
220 feet.
We got around 250 feet of go over it again and attach it in places so it looks more full, maybe. Ooh, no, that's not a good sign. Now that's dry. That looks so cool. I don't know why. That looks awesome. Don't show it.
Oh, don't show. Okay,